Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance tips to make your life a whole lot easier. Today's video is all about how to pay a bill with a Visa card. Whether you're dealing with utility bills, credit card payments, or online subscriptions, using your Visa card can be a quick and secure option. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Visa card is ready to go. Check the expiration date, ensure you have your PIN if needed, and verify that the bill you're paying accepts Visa payments. Most online services and merchants do, but it's always smart to double-check on their website or app. Step 1. Gather your details. You'll need your Visa card number, the CVV code on the back, and the expiration date. Also, have your bill information handy, like the account number or payment reference. Now, let's get to the fun part, the actual payment. If you're paying online, head to the biller's website or app. Log into your account, navigate to the payment section, and select Credit, Debit Card as your method. Enter your Visa card details carefully, double-check for any typos, and hit Submit. You'll usually get a confirmation page or email right away. What if you're paying in person? Some places like stores or payment centers accept Visa cards directly. Just present your card at the counter, tell them what bill you're paying, and follow their prompts. It's that simple. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Always use secure networks when entering your card info to avoid scams. Watch out for any transaction fees that might apply, and keep an eye on your bank statements to ensure the payment went through correctly. If you run into issues, contact your card issuer's customer support. They're there to help. And there you have it. Paying a bill with your Visa card is straightforward and can save you time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.